Hey friends, welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney and today's video is going to be our gender reveal for a little baby. So stay tuned. I am so excited that we finally know the gender of this baby, and we for sure know the gender of this baby. Yes, I said that correctly, for sure know the gender of this baby. So stay tuned till the end to hear how this all kind of laid out for us. After we did our gender reveal, we had to kind of explain a little bit of a faux pas that happened to us at our other ultrasound. So, but I don't want to tell you now because it'll ruin the whole thing. So stay tuned for that later.
So I really wanted to do something that was on theme for a fall gender reveal, but not spend a ton of money or have it be too elaborate so that people wouldn't want to participate. So I got this sign last year. It's been down with my craft supplies, but it was $3 at the Target dollar spot. They sell stuff like this all the time. It just might not look exactly like this, but I love it because it has a little kickstand on the back. So this, I am going to create a decal to put on here that says he or she, what will our little pumpkin be, and then instructing people to sign the pumpkin of their choice. So then I grabbed these guys from Michael's, and they're not super big. These are the Ashland craft pumpkins is what the tag looks like, and so they were $10, but then they were on sale for 60% off, and then I had a Michael's rewards coupon for another 25% off, so they ended up being a couple bucks. They're nice because they have pretty flat areas, but they still look like pumpkins. And so I'm gonna make a decal for one that says girl and a decal for one that says boy, so people can sign. I've got different colored markers that they can sign with. So I wanted to share with you how I made this. Yay, this turned out just how I envisioned it. So the cute little pumpkins, these black letters, I would definitely recommend doing that instead of a scripty font on these pumpkins if you decide to do this. And then this turned out so good. I added a free SVG file that I kind of broke apart from Love SVG, which I will link down below, and I'll also link this because it's not personalized with anything. So I'll link the whole file down below. It'll just be to the one that this came from actually 3, and then the Sign Your Pumpkins. But woo, can't wait to get that out for the party because it looks so cute. It's gender reveal day. Woo! It's a boy. That's Carson's official guess, but we're setting up everything. Got a ton of things outside that I'll show you from the Dollar Tree, which is awesome because you don't have to spend a ton of money to decorate for your party. So I will show you around and then we'll get to the reveal. Here is the sign that we made. I just had a pack of these markers that you can get at Target, but these work really well because they're not the highlighter type markers. They're Bic Market Fine Point. I had these from college, throwback, but these are great because they give you a pretty good writing on the pumpkin or whatever you end up using. So I would definitely recommend those, and the colors work out. And we went with the pumpkin theme, so these are from the Dollar Tree.
Yes, I knew that. boy. We are so incredibly happy. We are just thankful that that anatomy scan came back regardless of gender, that the baby's healthy. I do have to go back in a couple weeks to get another one because the way he was laying is he was viewing back towards my spine, and so they got a really good shot of his spine but could not really get profile, face, like lips fully. Also couldn't do all the chambers of the heart. So we're gonna be going back in for, you know, another ultrasound, but that's all right. So I promised you at the beginning of this video that I would tell you about this little faux pas that happened to us. So it is crazy. It is also not to scare anybody. I just really just wanted to share this with the group. So when we went in for our 12-week ultrasound, the ultrasound tech said to us, so are you guys gonna find out what it is? And I said, yeah, we are. We're gonna have a gender reveal, do the whole thing. And she said, okay, well, do you wanna know right now? And if you know my husband, you know that he said, yes, I would like to know right now. I was definitely in the camp where I could have waited, I could have found out. I think now that I know it's nice because we can plan, but you know, I could have been surprised, but Alex really wanted to know. So I said, okay, that's fine, let's do that. And so she said, it's a girl. She printed out a little sonogram, says it's a girl on it, a little printout sheet and picture, and we were on our merry way. And the kicker was, I literally thought it was a boy, like in my gut up until that appointment. And so I was really shocked. Like I started crying, like, you know, whatever. I would have cried probably either way, but I think it was because I was so shocked too. So then fast forward to our 20-week, and we go into on a Tuesday to do our 20-week ultrasound. Gender reveals on a Saturday. We sit there for 90 minutes. Long story short, they didn't check us in. They had emergencies, basically all these things. And so the girl they told us, okay, stay till 3 o'clock and we'll be able to get you in. We stayed, and the tech comes out and says, we can't do your appointment today. And I was like, what do you want? I have people coming to my house on Saturday for a gender reveal. What do you want me to do? And so then she said, come back. We're gonna, you know, I can tell you the gender, and then we're gonna have to do your anatomy scan a different day. And I said, okay, fine. We go back there. I had the kind of goo stuff on my stomach for probably 2.5 seconds, probably a minute, I exaggerate. She went, doo doo doo. Okay, are you ready? It's a boy. And at that point, we're looking at each other like, wait, what? Like we were told 2 months ago that it was a girl. Now, granted, I know that a 12-week ultrasound is too early, but when that medical professional is telling you that, like, you know, you're like, okay, what do I know? Maybe they know more than, I don't know. So yeah, she was definitely not correct. So we were worried because we were like, okay, we can't have this party and like not tell anyone. So we ended up having the appointment on Thursday, had everything confirmed that it is indeed a boy, which you saw before. So, but that was just like mind blowing. Like, okay, we've had 2 different people tell us the same day. Then everybody's joke is like, are you sure it's not twins? Yes, we're sure it's not twins. Multiple blood tests have told me that it's not twins. It's one little boy in my tummy. We are so excited, and we want to stay tuned here. Hit subscribe down below if you want to keep up with this pregnancy journey with us. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I'll do a little bit better at videos than I have in the past because I've been struggling, but you know, do the best that we can. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.